We have come to Morongo Casino in Cabazon, California. And here's our 2-queen room. Huge 65-inch TV. Ooh, I think that's new. Foggy. Very nice. I think it's I got this comped, but it's usually $130 or $140 a night. Big bathroom. Let's check out the shower. Nice big walk-in shower. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Gonna be here for a couple nights. Probably do the buffet. First time I did the buffet that recently opened. When was it? Last year when it first opened, it wasn't that good. It was all right. We're gonna try it again this time. Hopefully it improved. Wonder if we have a fridge. Oh yeah, we have a fridge and there's a couple waters in there. All right. Also, TV pulls out easy, so you can connect your video game systems, HDMI. Very good. It's a cold one. That's why nobody's in the pool. It's a nice pool area. Beautiful mountains. It's like a ghost town. We're back at the new buffet in Morongo. First time, it wasn't that great. Let's see if this time it's better. It is $47.99 a person, and it's from 4 to 9 p.m. All right, here is the Alcomal one. Oh, they have fish tacos this time. They didn't have that last time, I don't think. Here's the fish.
How many you want?
Fish tacos. Got their toppings bar. They put it on the tacos. All right, I got a side of corn. And I got their fish tacos. Let me take a bite of it so you can see inside. That is excellent. Grilled, juicy, fresh. I'm very impressed. Got a great flavor. Wow. That's really good. By the way, they also have regular Pepsi and stuff in addition to this stubborn stuff. Okay, soup. Pho and egg drop soup. Oh, looks good. Oh, Chinese food. Don't mind if I do. I gotta tell them to get the spring roll. Kung Pao chicken, Mongolian beef. Stickers, spring rolls. Oh, they got clams. Okay, this is a spring roll. This is Kung Pao chicken and Mongolian beef. Seafood gumbo, fisherman stew. Raw oyster, lobster roll, tuna poke, fish and chips. Okay. Ooh, they have regular slices now, not the square thick pizzas. That looks good. Ooh, okay. The pizza. Heat up the pizza here. A salad with white balsamic vinaigrettes. The fish and chips looks whack. And it's real chips. It's not like actual like French fries chips, you know? That's too bad. I want French fries. Steak fries. Okay. The Mongolian beef and the chicken was no good, really. Mongolian beef was very salty. No sweetness to it. Chicken, the Kung Pao chicken was okay. But, meh. Okay, fish and chips. Inside looks good. Tartar sauce. No. The fish is okay. The crust is it's a little too like store-bought, you know? The crust. The dip is no good. It's like sour. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about that. I'm just gonna take one more bite. It's okay. The actual fish itself tastes fresh though. Okay, here's the salad. See if this dressing is any good. Very good. A little sweetness to it. Salad is fresh. That's real good. Definitely tastes house-made dressing. Very good. Pizza looks great. Let's see if it actually tastes good. Looks much better than the first time I came here. I waited too long to eat it. It's a little got cold, but tastes like a legit slice of pizza. Like not buffet pizza, but this is great pizza. Cheese is high quality. It's all really good. Oh man, I'm impressed. This is the truffle mushroom Alfredo pasta with the garlic bread. See if it's any good. Oh, it's actually very good. It is very creamy. It has a hint of truffle smell, but not that much of a taste. I'm not a big fan of truffle, but this is fine. It's pretty good. Al dente, too. All right, here's a roasted beet salad with candied pecans and a raspberry sauce. And I got some more fish tacos because they were really good. Bok choy. I got some more of the salad. This salad was really good. And some more egg rolls, too. Spring rolls, actually. Vegetarian. All right, here's the desserts. They also had like chicken and prime rib and stuff, and fried chicken. Looked okay. But this is the dessert. I'll tell you right now, this buffet still mediocre. You cannot compare it to Las Vegas buffets, Bellagio, of course Caesar's Palace. It's not worth $50, that's for sure. Their cafe is better, the food, especially the salmon. Anywho, here's the dessert. It's the dessert, and here's the tea.